Hire more nurses. That's the message from a protest and rally today at Indiana Regional Medical Center.
The hospital currently employs about 270 nurses, but their union says it should have many more to meet the patient demand.
DeRose has a story from Indiana County.
The Indiana Regional Medical Center here in Indiana is currently in a contract negotiation with its nurses, and they're saying that the hospital is not addressing staffing issues properly.
Hey, hey, ho, ho, unsafe staffing's got to go.
For hours on Tuesday, dozens of nurses and their supporters walked the picket line outside Indiana Regional Medical Center, protesting both the current staffing situation at this facility and, as they say, the failure of the hospital to address future staffing needs in their currently ongoing contract negotiations with the nurses union. Emily Fry, a registered nurse at this hospital, says that for better quality care of patients, they need to increase their staffing numbers from around 270 nurses to around 400 nurses.
They're trying to use the money they do have to kind of pull us in all different directions. I know for me, certainly, and my ICU crew, we get pulled to other floors a lot to help them because they're so short-staffed. And, you know, we tell them, this is what's going to help you bring in nurses. This is what's going to help with the ratios, and they don't want to hear it, and they don't want to bring it into negotiation.
In a statement given to KDKA by IRMC, they said in part, the health and safety of all IRMC patients, visitors, and staff is our highest priority. In negotiations, we've been discussing the concerns of IRMC nurses, and we recognize their right to voice those concerns through an informational picket. Indiana County Commissioner Shireen Hess, who was also on hand at Tuesday's protest, says that IRMC management has to directly address these safety staffing issues in their current negotiations so that the hospital can best serve this community.
This is an escalating situation, and we know that better patient care is an outcome of safer staffing levels. And so we're encouraging them all to just keep talking, keep discussing in good faith, and support that wholly.
And we're going to have the full statement from the IRMC on our website, KDKA.com. But for now, reporting in Indiana County, Chris DeRose, KDKA-TV News.